Hungary completed its first locally made Lynx KF41 Infantry fighting vehicle at the Rheinmetall factory in Zalaegerszeg, Defense Minister Kristóf Szalay-Bobrovniczky announced on July 25. The minister highlighted efforts to rebuild Hungary's defense industry, aiming for self-sufficiency in military production. He noted the integration of defense initiatives into the national economy and the establishment of Rheinmetall Hungary Munitions Zrt. In Varpaloda. He said that the war in Ukraine had shown that every country needs a well-functioning defense industry that is capable of supplying them with materiel at all times and in all situations. Bjorn Bernhard, CEO of Rheinmetall Landsysteme GmbH, detailed the factory's rapid development and future plans to produce various vehicle variants and an air defense system. Paul Wolf, CEO of Rheinmetall Hungary, noted the factory's capacity to produce over 100 vehicles annually, with plans to expand its workforce. The Zalaegerszeg plant was inaugurated in August 2023. The Lynx IFV, currently undergoing commissioning, will undergo comprehensive function, performance, and quality inspections before its scheduled transfer to the Hungarian Armed Forces in mid-2024. The Hungarian Ministry of Defence awarded Rheinmetall a contract exceeding €2 billion in September 2020 for the supply of Lynx IFVs and related products and services. The first phase involves the delivery of 46 Lynx IFVs manufactured in Germany, with the initial vehicle transferred to the Hungarian military in October 2022. The subsequent phase, starting at the end of 2023, entails the production of the remaining vehicles in Hungary by Rheinmetall Hungary Zrt., a joint venture with co-ownership between Rheinmetall 51% and the Hungarian state 49%. The Lynx IFV, part of a broader contract envisioning 7 variants, includes the standard infantry fighting vehicle, a command post vehicle, a reconnaissance vehicle, a forward artillery observer vehicle, a mortar track, a field ambulance, and a driver education vehicle. Additionally, Rheinmetall will develop a Lynx mobile air defense vehicle equipped with a Skyranger 30 turret. The conceptual development contract for this variant was signed in December 2023, signaling Rheinmetall's ongoing commitment to advancing armored vehicle capabilities for the Hungarian Armed Forces.